guys, we're on the delivery trail. I'm a bit tired now, but I don't mind. Just like getting the job done. We're here to see Miss. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, that
about
smile though. You have like a superstar smile.
Hey, well, you brought my package, so.
Oh, that's
You
what.
know?
Oh, you see, y'all get that. I have a package for you.
Thank you.
I know that you recently came on, and I am certain you're loving it.
Yes. The service has been exceptional. So far, so good. I'll be staying with Island Shipper. Yeah.
I shall say nothing more about that. You'll be staying with Island Shipper with me.
Well, with Island Shipper, you know?
Yeah. So that's. How was your day so far, though?
It's been great.
It's been great.
Thanks
You've been
for
recommending people to us.
Most definitely. So
Okay.
you're soon to see them coming on.
All right, I'm looking forward to it.
Not
I'm
a
looking forward to it. What do you call this headband, though? I like the colors.
No, it's
Just a regular
skirt,
headband.
You know, something summery, welcoming spring. You know, that's all.
You know, something feel like me like your flavor. Yeah, man. Like
I'm
some
just
top
welcoming
actress thing I
spring,
got.
yes.
Oh,
You
this
know?
is you normally.
Yes, the summer is coming in, so you know,
Right.
we got to get the stuff.
All right, cool. Where the party's gonna be at?
Well, you know, it might be a little bit of FOF or, you know, BRT. We don't know yet. Not BRT, but
that
best
one's
weekend
on.
ever, yeah. You know,
Anyway,
Let's see.
I'll leave you to it.
not a
Have a
problem.
wonderful evening.
Thank you so
Pick
much.
up
You too.
yourself. Thanks for the business.
Sure.
There you have it, guys. She's preparing for summer. I'm already worried because it's going to be a hot one. We know global warming is causing a lot of drama. So, see you though.